Hey sunshines, welcome to Jane's Creative Life. If this is your very first time here, definitely hit the subscribe button. If you into home decor shopping, this is the place for you. And don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you will not miss any future videos. And hit that like button because I know you're going to like these videos. And I will meet you always in the comments section. In today's video, I did a bedroom makeover for this little boy. His mom hired me to surprise him for his 8th birthday. And let me tell you guys, I had so much fun putting this room together.
Hey guys, happy Friday. I'm here doing a site visit and today the furniture was assembled. However, things cannot be perfect. Only for me to find out the nightstand was delivered and it was the wrong one. So I have to go back. Afterwards, everything gotta get clean. Then I will start styling eventually. And the closet was painted. The floor is not done yet. We still trying to figure this out. But the room was painted, furniture assembled, blind is up. We still gotta do the curtain and the curtain rods and everything else, but everything is in place now, and we added a new baseboard. Overall, I'm pretty happy.
Go. Wow. Whoa.